Hello, guys. Welcome back to the crypto movement. My name's Peter, and today we're going to do something special. We're going to talk about crypto taxes. Now, I know it's not the most exciting thing. It's not the thing we want to talk about because we like bringing money in, not paying money out. But I think this is something that is really going to benefit you in your trading and in your crypto journey, as well as make things easier for you, less expensive, and less of a headache. So before we get started, please tap that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells YouTube that this information is important, and that way more people can see it and have less problems later and really get some relief from taxes. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and let's begin. So what I want to show you today is I want to talk about Cryptotrader Tax. Now this is a software that you can use that helps you basically do kind of like a TurboTax that you would do for your regular taxes, and it integrates with things like TurboTax, which is absolutely incredible. Um, for something like this too, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to try it out if you'd like, and you're going to want to use CryptoTax10 as your discount code. And this, you actually have a 14-day money-back guarantee to try it out, so I encourage you to do so. But either way, just wanted you to know this is an option. So what I want to do first is I want to play a video for you to kind of give you the overall feel of what this does. So let's go ahead and do that real quick.
Meet Gary. Gary is a cryptocurrency trader who, like many others, starts off by casually investing in Bitcoin. Getting his taxes done for these Bitcoin trades is no problem as he can do them by hand. But as Gary starts making more and more trades across multiple exchanges, his tax reporting quickly turns into a nightmare. Exchanges can't provide him with accurate tax reports, so Gary stays up late into the night trying to calculate the dollar value of his cryptocurrencies each time he traded one for another. He doesn't get very far. Thankfully, there is an easier way. Cryptotrader Tax is a tax reporting platform built to make crypto taxes less painful. Instead of spending hours sifting through spreadsheets, Gary simply imports his trades from his cryptocurrency exchanges directly into the platform. This data gets sorted and run through the Cryptotrader Tax engine. With the click of a button, Gary receives his tax report that he can file himself, send to his tax professional, or upload into his preferred tax filing software. Get started for free at Cryptotrader.tax.
Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and give you kind of a tour of Cryptotrader.tax to kind of see the different features and the things that this offers. Here down here, it talked about it's been featured on CoinDesk, Forbes, Bloomberg, VentureBeat, Accounting Today, and of course TurboTax. It's trusted by over 100,000 crypto investors. So this has been around for a little while now, and people are really liking what this is actually doing. So again, with things like this, a lot of times we don't think about it until right before taxes. But having this in place is going to really bring you some relief. So it pulls data. It does different reports and files. Of course, TurboTax, partner with them, and it integrates with them. Also does international tax reporting. This really blew me away. I have to show you this. Import from any platform. So it has these, a lot of, obviously Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Gemini, Uniswap, things like Binance, of course, all the different Binances, Bitcoin.com. I got to show you this. I just was absolutely baffled by it. Exodus. So these are the different ones that it actually, 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, and 5 page. So I just thought that was absolutely incredible. So how it works, again, what it's going to do is it's going to work in different steps. It's going to import your taxes, and it's going to pull from the different exchanges, and it's going to add the crypto income that you had, generate the tax report, and then you can integrate it right away and file it with TurboTax, or at least have it ready to do so. So this is what some of the customers have said. They've used Cryptotrader.tax after unsuccessfully trying a competitor's site. Cryptotrader.tax software imported transactions easier, and the reconciliation resulted in just a few warnings to be resolved. The team that quickly helped me navigate through solving these warnings, top notch. So that's really helpful, because sometimes you're going to have issues that go through when you're working through all this, and being able to have the help and the customer service that you need is extremely important. And this guy Gary right now gave 5 stars. He said, "I just wanted to leave a quick review. I have used Cryptotrader for the last 3 years now. In my opinion, one of the best in what they do. I have tried other site services, but they just didn't work out for me. I feel like this site is very user-friendly, and the support via chat is great as well. Would recommend to others." And there you go. That's what I was saying, is customer service is everything. So that's really important. So here are different tax reports: short and long-term sales report, IRS Form 8949. And a lot of these, especially if you're new at this, you haven't really come across this before. So when you get into the crypto investment game, you're not just dealing with new things on learning about crypto and the profits and loss. You also are dealing with taxes, and that's really with business in general. You're having to deal with new things, and having tools to combat that is super essential. So audit trail report, TurboTax, and Tax Act direct imports, which is important. Cryptocurrency income reports, tax loss harvesting report, international gain loss report. So it just goes back to talk about the the different reports, IRS, things like that I just mentioned. So that's super important. This is very important here. And they also have a blog that goes along with this, which I'll point to in the resources. Here you have the ultimate guide to cryptocurrency tax loss harvesting. I don't know about you guys, but there's been bear and bull markets that I have been in, and having to deal with that and to understand kind of how to to deal with the losses and gains is a huge deal. So tax loss harvesting, what is it? Tax loss harvesting is the practice of selling a capital asset at a loss to offset a capital gains tax liability. So this is important because, if you're having your losses and gains and you're not able to, offset some of those losses, it'll look like you're making more than you actually are. So it's really important to, understand some of this, and that's what this is about. So if you want to try it out, take a look at the link in the description. Again, the code that's going to go with it is CryptoTax10. It's going to give you a 10% discount. So go ahead and give that a shot. So again, talking about tax loss harvesting, this gives some information. You can check it out on the website when you're taking a look. So I think that's really important to be able to look at. Again, TurboTax, it's great to integrate it. I've used TurboTax many times. I'm not using it currently because of my business. I pay someone to use it because I have to itemize things across a bunch of different types of platforms and businesses. But if you're more simplified on your taxes and you don't have a bunch of income streams, which I encourage you to get a bunch of income streams, this is going to make it a whole lot easier when it comes tax season, and to get started right away on this. So I just wanted to point that out. Then you have the Tax Act integration, another platform that can be used along with that. I think that's just super valuable, and it's amazing how things have come along and really made filing taxes so much easier, especially with softwares like this, like TurboTax, and things are going to continue. And this is amazing, and I'm going to do a video strictly on this for tax professionals. And again, I'm not a tax professional, so consult with yours if you have any questions that are tax related. I'm just wanting to point you in a direction that to help you be able to do some of your own taxes and help with you know, saving you some time um, when you're going through this. But again, consult your tax advisor, at the end of the day, because this is just to kind of help you guys. So I'm going to do a video on this specifically for tax professionals because this is something that they can specifically help their clients who are into crypto, who are into trading. And just wanted to show you guys because you can show this to them as well. I thought this was absolutely incredible. So the different integrations. Here I wanted to show you the blog, and it's going to show all of these different, here's some tags, all these different topics that you can learn. So feel free to go on and read some of these on your own. I just thought this was extremely helpful to have all these to kind of give you an idea on some new things that you may not have known, things with Robinhood, just all kinds of things that have to do with taxes and crypto. Oh, yeah, look at this. We got, where was it at? Canada. Awesome. Great stuff. So we have that, and then this was neat too. I'll just go on this as well. Going again, talking about calculating it and how it's going to do profit loss, super important, as well as the harvesting. And this down here, I thought was really, really important. This is going to be different topics that the team at Cryptotrader.tax has put together on different topics and different facts and data security and things that'll help you with your account and getting started. So you have a whole help center that you can search for articles. So I thought that's super important as well. So this is how it has, you have different tiers depending on what you're doing. If you're trading a lot, it's going to be more. Again, you got to think of this as something helpful for, your trading business and for your investing for your future. They all have 14-day money back guarantees. And this is important here. Reports available from 2010 through 2021 as I'm filming this. So it pulls from a long amount of time, really. All reports are one-time purchases per tax season. So that is important. So just wanted to show you that. So different ideas. You can view an example report. And this is important down here. Here's some frequently asked questions. Just talks about how does Cryptotrader.tax pricing work. We offer tiered pricing depending on the number of trades per tax season, like I was saying. This means once you purchase a report, you get unlimited revisions for that year. So you're just purchasing one. So it talks about the refund policy, 14 days if this isn't something that you're interested in. So yeah, take a look for the link in the description below. And again, the discount code for 10% off is CryptoTax, the number 10, CryptoTax10. So that's basically it on Cryptotrader.tax to kind of give you a tutorial of this and what it's all about and how it can help you guys for this next tax season. Go ahead and take a look at the link if you want to check it out, and feel free to check out the articles and the blog posts. I think this is going to be really helpful and also educating you more in the crypto industry. So again, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for the next video coming out. I should have one pretty soon, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode on the channel. And I hope this was helpful for you guys. So bye for now, and we'll catch you next time.